Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. You'll have to excuse me, I'm a little congested, so just bear with me. I might have an allergy or a cold, but I can still power through the video either way. Once again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks. He still does not have a charger for his iPad yet, but he said he'll get there soon, so I'm still taking over for him. But anyway, we have a few areas where we have a chance for severe weather today. We have a slight risk up here today that encompasses parts of northeastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. And we have a marginal risk today that encompasses most of North Dakota, the very far extreme northern edge of South Dakota, and parts of northwestern Minnesota. Going down here, we have a marginal risk down here that encompasses far south central Idaho, northeastern Nevada, parts of Utah, southwestern Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, and northeastern Arizona. Going over here for today, we have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of eastern North Carolina and extreme northeastern South Carolina. And this is associated with potential tropical cyclone number 8, which could become tropical storm Helene, but it's uncertain right now if that's going to happen. Going to the tornado threat now, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of northeastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Going down here, we also have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado down here today that encompasses parts of eastern North Carolina and northeastern South Carolina. And that is again associated with potential tropical cyclone number 8. Going to the winds for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher today that encompasses parts of northeastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher today that encompasses most of North Dakota, the very far extreme northern edge of South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. We have another area where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 50 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far south central Utah, northeastern Nevada, I meant to say south central Idaho, northeastern Nevada, parts of Utah, southwestern Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, and northeastern Arizona. Going to the hail for today, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of northeastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. We have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses most of North Dakota, the very far extreme northern edge of South Dakota, and northwestern Minnesota. Another area where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Utah, southwestern Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, and northeastern Arizona. Going to the summary for today, thunderstorms capable of severe gusts and large hail are expected today in parts of the northern plains. An isolated tornado threat is expected in the Carolinas. Marginally severe wind and hail may occur in parts of the Four Corners and Intermountain West. So, that's the Day 1 Outlook. I'm going to have a separate video on the Day 2 Outlook, and that will come out very soon, so stay tuned for the Day 2 Outlook, which will come out very soon.